Hi there, welcome to Sunwing channel. I'm Wu. This is our brand new video column Artificial Plant Market Analysis. Today we will dig into the UK artificial plants market. Well, let me see, are there any friends from the UK? Provided you are starting the fox breeding business in UK, whether for retail, landscaping or wholesale, please do not miss this artificial plant info guide to help you with your perfect business plan in 2021. I will run through the following 4 parts. Part 1. Latest artificial plants UK market analysis. Part 2. Successful cases of our UK customers engaged in retail, landscaping, and wholesale industry. Part 3. Trending fox plants for UK 2021. Part 4. Conclusion. This is a set of UK's import trend in general. As we all know, the outbreak of epidemic has a certain impact on the import of fox plants in the UK, but it shows a recent trend from February 2021. If you seize the opportunity and work out a plan in advance, the total artificial plants import value is expected to reach its peak. Overall, the UK import market is generally positive. The first quarter and the first quarter can be said to be the best time for purchasing in UK. Next, over the past 5 years, the search volume for artificial plants in United Kingdom has been in the fluctuating increasing trend, especially from April 2020 to April 2021. Even if during the epidemic, local demand for fake greening has not decreased. The first case is from Jenny, a well-known retailer of UK artificial plants, who has been engaged in artificial hedges and plants for about 5 years. Her company HedgeIn has stretched to online social networking more than just offline store. We source and purchase artificial hedges and plants from Sunwing since my company's establishment, said Jenny. We believe in Sunwing quality UV stable artificial hedging products and look forward to everlasting cooperation. According to Jenny's import data, A001 artificial boxwood hedges, A040 artificial flower hedges panel, A078 artificial lavender hedge panel, B028 artificial plant wall, and B052 artificial green wall panel are the most frequently imported products from us. The last case is from artificial plant wholesale business in the UK. It's really happy to work with Sunwing on our wholesale business since 2018. Our customer said, until now, he has imported fox potted plants, fox boxwood topering balls and trees, fox leaves and fake flowers from us. By the way, if you are sure to become a local wholesaler in the UK, you should pay attention to the following issues of looking for suppliers. What's the minimum order quantity from the suppliers? How many kinds of products can the supplier provide? How long will the lead time of your order take? Can the supplier provide customized service for your local market? Glad you are here with me. What are the best imported grading plants regarding the retail, landscaping, and wholesale in 2021? We list the top 3 that you cannot miss in a few months. Top 1. Moss World. Discover the premier realistic artificial moss tires and preserve the ranger moss supplied by Sunwing. Due to the difficult supply of ranger lichens in Europe, sourcing from a Chinese moss wool supplier is a perfect choice to dried pampas grass. Apart from artificial pampas, we also supply naturally dried pampas that can be more fluffy to create a gentle atmosphere, perfect for home and wedding decor. Whether you are established or enrich the artificial plant business, artificial or natural pampas will be your first consideration. Top 3. Artificial potted trees. We have own artificial trees and plant factories, covering a wide range of fake potted trees. If you want to have this product on your sales list, these trees are very flexible in customization. Today, we collect information and ideas, especially for new retailers, landscapers and wholesalers in the UK artificial plants importing market. But we should prepare the import guide for customers in other countries and regions. Thanks in advance for your interest and welcome to contact our friendly sales team. Contact information below. Welcome to subscribe our channel to obtain more updates and news. See you next time.